how to fix PS5 not connecting to Wi-Fi. So here's what you want to do. You want to go into your settings, so just click on settings, then we will navigate to network, and right here you want to go and select settings again and set up internet connection. Before that, make sure that connected internet is checked, and you want to click on set up internet connection. Now here you will see the Wi-Fi network which you are trying to connect to, and you just want to press the options button here. So you want to press the options button on your PS5 controller, and then Wi-Fi frequency bands, you want to change this to 5 gigahertz only. See if that fixes it for you. If it doesn't, then you will change it to 2.4 gigahertz only. Alright, so once we have done this, we can go into the advanced settings, and here we're just going to scroll down until we see DNS settings, and you want to change this to manual, and here type for the primary DNS 1.1.1.1 and the secondary DNS 1.0.0.1, and you will click on OK. This is going to connect you to the internet, and it should fix any issues you may experience with your network connection. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.